भूत लग रही है एंड लिटरली अभी रात के 12:30 बज रहे हैं. What's up guys, this is Amulya Khaneja and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna do something that everyone loves, which is makeup. I mean, who doesn't love makeup? So today I'm gonna try some of those makeup hacks by 5-minute crafts because I don't know if they're gonna work. So let's try it out. Okay guys, so in this hack they've taken a beauty blender. Okay, so अगर आपका beauty blender खराब हो गया, you can use balloon instead of it. This is a smart hack guys if this is gonna work. Well, I'm really excited though, so let's try it out. Guys, so let's make our beauty blender, I mean balloon blender. So here we have our balloons and yeah, let's open one.
Let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really scared of balloons popping just in your hands. Balloon pop नहीं करने चाहिए, बहुत अजीब लगता है. Guys, इतना बड़ा खुल गया.
Anyways, let's make our balloon blender. Here we have our beauty blender or balloon blender as I should say. So here I'm using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me.
I don't know where मैं भूत लग रही because I cannot see it in mirror.
Guys. Okay guys, so I've blended it and it has blended really good guys. I mean लिटरली मुझे लगा था कि कहीं जगह होगा नहीं या पैचेस बन जाएंगे बट इट रियली वर्क गाइस सीरियसली. इसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत फाउंडेशन आ गया है बट वो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर भी काफी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. सो इट रियली वर्क गाइस. आई एम गोना गिव दिस हैक 10 on 10. आई मीन इट रियली वर्क्स. ओके गाइस, सो दिस नेक्स्ट हैक इज फॉर ऑल दोस पीपल जिनके मेरी तरह डार्क सर्कल्स आ गए लॉकडाउन में. Anyways, to conceal those dark circles, here we have with a brand new hack. I mean, brand new नहीं है. 5-minute craft hack. So they have taken red lipstick first and they put concealer on top of it instead of just using the concealer. I'm gonna compare, so let's try. Okay guys, तो बारी आ गई है हमारे dark circles को छुपाने की. So here we have our red lipstick. So this is from Maybelline and I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna put this lipstick on one side. So we'll compare it without concealer and without red lipstick and with lipstick. Okay. ज़्यादा तो नहीं यूज कर लिया. ऐसा लगा मुझे किसी ने मार दिया इधर. Anyways, so I'm gonna use this concealer from Maybelline, guys. If you're looking for a good concealer, like. It has really good coverage and plus it has sponge on top. It is really good. So yeah. Okay, so अब इसमें blend कर लेते हैं हम beauty blender से. And here we have a beauty blender. ओके गाइस, सो ब्लेंड कर लिया मैंने. इफ यू कैन सी बहुत थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस नजर आ रहा है. आई मीन थोड़ा सा है डेफिनेटली. इट लुक्स बेटर बट बहुत थोड़ा सा. सो आई एम गोना गिव दिस हैक 8 out of 10. Okay guys, so this hack is super weird because they have taken color pencils and put it in hot water and they're using it as eyeliner. Color pencils don't work on your skin. I mean, I have really low expectations from this hack. Let's try. Okay guys, so I'm here with my color pencils. So basically I dipped them in hot water for a few minutes only and let's see if this works on my hand first. Okay guys, so it works pretty good. Let's try this yellow one. I don't know if you guys see this, but it is really working. So let's put it on our eye.
It is looking weird.
Whoa guys, it looks so cool. I made wing from this purple one. It's looking so good. I'm really liking it guys. Really worth that guys. Super working. I'm really liking it. The way it turns out. Super good. I'm gonna give this hack 10 on 10 for sure. Okay guys, so this next hack is super creative. I really like it. I mean, I want it to work. So they've taken a tissue. So in this hack, they've taken a tissue paper and crumbled it and put it on eyeshadow and make it design on your eyes. I don't know. I really want it to work. I don't know about you guys. So let's try. Okay guys, so here I'm with my tissue and I'm gonna put this on eyeshadow and let's make designs if it's gonna work. I'm really excited, guys. Okay, so what should I use? I should use, okay, I'm gonna use these two combinations with yellow. It's not making any designs. Okay guys, so it does not work because ये weird patches there हैं. Still, let's continue. थोड़ा और crumble कर देती हूँ for this. Yeah. It's not working. It's definitely not making any design. And let's put this yellow. Okay guys, so this does not work. I mean, इससे eyeshadow बस patches बन गए हैं, which does not look good. I mean, camera पे मुझे नहीं पता how it's looking, but I looked at the mirror and इसमें इतना गंदा लग रहा है guys. Do not try this hack. I mean, I'm gonna give this hack 0 on 10 because it does not work. It's looking super bad. Do not try it. Guys, so this next hack will definitely make me a booth. So they're making a peel-off mask with eggs and tissue. I mean, that sounds interesting. I mean, I really like peel-off masks. They're really satisfying. I'm really excited. So let's try. Okay guys, so अब बारी आ चुकी है हमारे super exciting hack के लिए peel-off mask बनाएंगे. So let's remove our makeup. Okay guys, so makeup remove कर लिया और अब हम बनाते हैं अपना peel-off mask. So let's break the egg. Okay guys, so let's put this. I'm really worried guys. Okay. Oh, it's cold guys, it's really cold.
It's cold guys, super cold.
Okay guys, तो इसके ऊपर हम एक और बार लेयर लगाएंगे बिकॉज उसमें बोला था. So oh my god guys, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं मम्मी मूवी से आ गई. Okay guys, तो उन्होंने टाइम नहीं बताया था, so I'll just put in few minutes and काफी टाइट फील हो रहा है, बोला नहीं जा रहा. मैं भूत लग रही हूँ and literally अभी रात के 12:30 बज रहे हैं. Guys, it's weird. 12:41 AM. Okay guys, तो अभी से उतार देते हैं. बहुत टाइम हुआ है. उतर जाओ. Okay guys, the peel off mask उतर गया. It's feeling really good and it's really feeling tight. It's feeling really amazing. I mean, I'm gonna give this hack 10 on 10. Seriously guys, it's feeling really amazing. Let me just wash my face first. Okay guys, so I've washed my face and it's feeling really amazing right now. I mean, this hack is really good guys. 10 on 10. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I mean, I had a lot of fun trying this weird hacks. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which hack was your favorite. Mine was this eyeliner making out of color pencils. I mean, I love it. I did it again. I mean, I'm definitely gonna try this again in the future too. I love it, the way it looks. It's really good. And yeah, I post every Sunday, so turn on the notifications by pressing the bell icon. And yeah, adios amigos.